video, I'm going to teach you how to add zoom animations to elements in Canva. If you want your slides to feel more polished and dynamic, a simple zoom can make photos, text, shapes, or even grouped elements pop without distracting from your message. Let's walk through it clearly so you can follow along and get results right away. Start by selecting the element you want to animate. Click directly on the photo, text box, shape, or group on your slide. As soon as it's selected, you'll see the top toolbar appear. That's your cue that Canva is ready for animation. Next, click the Animate button in the top toolbar. This opens the animation panel on the left side of your screen. You'll be working from this panel to choose the exact effect, adjust how it behaves, and preview what it looks like. Inside the animation panel, scroll under Element Animations to find the zoom style options. The main one is Zoom, which gives you a clean zoom in effect. Pop is a smaller, snappier zoom in that feels playful and quick. Photo Zoom is designed specifically for images, so use that when you want your photos to glide in with a subtle magnification. Drift and Rise create gentle motion with a slight zoom-like feel, perfect for a softer look. And if you're animating groups or text, Scale is great for a controlled zoom effect that keeps everything proportionate. Pick the one that matches the tone of your slide and the content you're animating. Now adjust how and when it happens. Under Timing, choose on Enter if you want the element to animate as it appears on the slide. Choose on Exit to make it leave gracefully when you move forward. If you want it to both appear and exit with animation, select both for a seamless flow without having to duplicate anything. Where available, fine-tune speed and intensity to match your pacing. Faster speeds feel energetic, slower speeds feel more professional and calm. Try a few variations to see what feels right. Preview to make sure everything looks smooth. Use Canva's present or preview controls to watch the animation in context with the rest of your slide. If something feels too abrupt or too slow, go back and tweak the settings until it fits your style. When you're happy, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download, and choose MP4. Your exported presentation will include all the zoom animations you set up, so it's ready to share or play anywhere.